Hi, thanks for watching the video. In this video we are going to share with you the best around 50 latest corner garden design ideas. You can apply these ideas in your garden's corner to give them unique look. This video is going to be very informative because we also will give you few tips and tricks regarding gardening. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the channel. Your supports and comments always give us courage. So in today's video we are going to explore some expert tips for creating beautiful corner gardens. Corner spaces often go unnoticed, but with a little creativity and effort you can turn them into the most captivating areas of your outdoor space. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these tips will help you make the most of your corner garden. Start by assessing your corner space, measure its dimension, observe sunlight exposure, and identify any existing structures or obstacles. Understanding these factors will guide your garden design and plant selection. Select plants that thrive in your specific corner's condition. Consider factors like sunlight, soil type, and climate. Mixing different types of plants such as perennials, annuals, shrubs, and trees can create visual interest and ensure year-round beauty. Every garden needs a focal point. In your corner garden, this could be a beautifully sculptured tree, a colorful flower bed, or a decorative garden statue. A focal point draws eye and adds character to your space. Don't forget to utilize vertical space. Install trellises, arbors, or wall-mounted planters to grow climbing plants like ivy, clematis, and or jasmine. Vertical elements add dimension and maximize space. Incorporate seating options into your corner garden. A bench, swing, or a couple of chairs can make your garden a cozy retreat. Place seating near your focal point for a more inviting atmosphere. Create balance and symmetry in your corner garden design. Plant taller plants at the back and shorter ones at the front. Balance the color, texture, and shapes to achieve visual harmony. If space is limited, consider container gardening. Planters, pots, and hanging baskets can add charm and functionality to your corner. Mix and match various container sizes and styles for a dynamic look. Water features like fountains, ponds, or bird baths can transform your corner garden into a serene oasis. The sound of running water and the presence of wildlife can enhance the garden's ambience. Install outdoor lighting to enjoy your corner garden in the evening. String lights, lanterns, or path lights can create a magical atmosphere. Proper lighting also highlights your garden beauty at night. Don't forget about seasonal maintenance. Regularly stone, weeds, and mulch your corner garden to keep it looking its best. Adjust your planting and decor to suit each season's unique charm. Creating a stunning corner garden requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these 10 expert tips, you can transform that often neglected space into a vibrant and inviting green heaven. Whether you are seeking a tranquil retreat or a burst of color, your corner garden can become a beautiful extension of your outdoor living space. So roll up your sleeves, put on your gardening gloves, and let your creativity bloom in your corner garden. Gardens, big or small, hold the potential to bring joy and tranquility to our lives. One often overlooked space in our home is the corner of our yards or even our balconies. In this video, we will explore a range of innovative corner garden ideas that can help you turn these neglected spaces into vibrant and inviting green heavens. Whether you have a green thumb or are a novice gardener, there's something here for everyone. Create a beautiful and functional corner garden. Before you embark on creating your corner garden, it's essential to access the available space, measure the dimensions, consider sunlight exposure, and determine factors such as wind direction. Understanding these elements will help you choose the right plants and layout of your corner garden. So at the end of this video, we want to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.